Okay, so with all this news regarding Ryzen 3 and Zen 2, there's a lot of information to cover, so let's just get right into this. My source today comes from WCCF Tech, and if you want to read up on all these new leaks, a link to the article will be in the description below. So let's get into this. So if you remember back to early December 2018, we got a full spec sheet that discussed 10 new Zen 2 based Ryzen 3rd Gen CPUs, as well as some new Ryzen 3 APU information. Well, a lot of those specs are either being reinforced or changed to be an even more interesting move from AMD CPU division. These new leaks detail two new Ryzen 9 CPUs, both with 16 cores and 32 threads. Clock speeds are leaked to be at just under 4 GHz with boosts up to 4.7 GHz, and a whopping 5.1 GHz on the flagship model, the Ryzen 9 3550X. The Ryzen 7 lineup of CPUs is also leaked to be getting a makeover as well, now featuring 12 cores and 24 threads, which is a 50% increase over the 8-core 16-thread Ryzen 7s that we've received in the past. Only having information that their clock speeds are above 4 GHz and they boost to around 5 GHz when conditions allow. So while getting new, more powerful high-end chips is exciting and shows that AMD is interested in providing competition to Intel, most of us aren't able to afford the high-end chips and will instead have to settle for a Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 3. These chips are also leaked to be getting a new core configuration, with the Ryzen 5 lineup now sporting 8 cores at around 4 GHz. While this price improvement is impressive, the price is also leaked to have been raised to $200 for the Ryzen 5 3600 and $258 for the more premium Ryzen 5 3600X. So while we are getting a spec improvement, I don't necessarily know if it's worth the huge increase in price. The Ryzen 3 lineup of CPUs is also leaked to be receiving upgrades as well, with both new chips now sporting 6 cores at above 3 GHz. Price is also impressive, but also more expensive than the previous generation models, with the Ryzen 3 3300 leaked at $110 and the Ryzen 3 3300X leaked at $145. While these specs are impressive, and let's be honest, if these spec leaks are in fact what we'll be receiving, then the Ryzen 3 and Ryzen 5 lineups could very well kill Intel's i3 and i5 offerings. While I'm excited for the future of Ryzen, and I'm interested in what AMD will bring to the table, I'm rather skeptical at some of these leaks as a lot of them sound way too good to be true. It's very possible that these leaks are completely true, and we're on the dawn of a huge new push from AMD. But at the same time, we don't have a full spec sheet, and there could be some areas such as cache or memory bandwidth that have to be cut in order to save money and make these chips cheaper. While I'm optimistic at what these leaks are saying, I'm also a little skeptical, but I can't wait to see what comes of this. I've always wanted to see AMD produce an amazing product, and while they already have in the form of Ryzen, an improvement this massive could propel them to the top of the popularity charts, and we overall could be getting some of the best deals we've ever seen very soon. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll be notified about all our future uploads. And also tell us, what do you think about the new Ryzen 3rd Gen leaks? Do you think they're real, and will you be keeping an eye out for a 6-core Ryzen 3? I can't wait to see what you guys have to say, and I hope you all have an amazing day. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.